Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Are we just really days away from Bitcoin pump? And why I'm saying this? Well, I'm going to show you in this video. We should talk about the alts as well, because the little altcoins started to pump actually quite heavy in the last day or two. Then we should talk about Telegram's new era, put it this way, because one era has finished. And they will share in the future, data with authorities if those data are related to crime or some, suspicious things. And they haven't done this so far, but this is what they kind of have to, put it this way. And also, let's talk about countries, which are small countries, but they having already a lot of Bitcoin, just like Bhutan. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if you would like to stay up to date, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Right, and for the start, as usual, let's have a look at the market. Well, now Bitcoin kind of holding itself on this level, 63,500-ish, 0.2% down, but it's like nothing, kind of sideways. Ethereum, 2,643 US dollar, 0.5% down. When we're looking at the top gainers, well, we have here Rwave 10%, Celestia 9%, Dogwave had 8% up. But when you're looking at smaller altcoins, they going very, very nicely up. Also, when you're looking at the last 7 days, they pumped quite heavily as well here. And no losers at all. Leo 6%, Phantom 4%, Monero 4%. This is kind of nothing. And yeah, when you're looking at here the Bitcoin price, we started to go here sideways. When you're looking at the 200-day moving average, is it there? Yeah, this is the blue line. We just keep hitting this. So we have to break above it, and let's talk about the possibilities now. So what we're seeing right now, let's go back to the trading view chart. You can see here that, we broke this trend line and we were stopped so far by this 200-day moving average. But on the other hand, before I move into the Bitcoin, we can see altcoins are the ones which are now pumping more than Ethereum and Bitcoin after the 50 basis point rate cut last week, in the US. And even the small ones, they're doing pretty well. I love this meme. Look at this one here. Bitcoin, that's how it works. Altcoins. Actually, this is what I love in crypto, the memes. I think they're pretty cool. Hang on. Yes. Well, okay. We can continue with this as well. So basically, when you're looking at September, historically, since 2013, as you can see, we had actually 3 so far, because this is right now this September. So in 2023, in 15 and 16, when we closed in plus. And the biggest plus was plus 6%. And now we are above it. Actually, when we look at this is the monthly, right? September is right now almost 8% in plus. So here it was when this was made just almost 7%. Now we are 1% more. But every single year, when you're looking at this, when September is closing actually in green, these are the rare options. Things when it happened. So then we had a very nice green pump in Q4, October, November, December, all month going up, even here in 2023, even here in 2016, and even here in 2015. So, and actually we had some other Q4s when, Bitcoin behaved quite nicely. Also, when we looking at the year of halvings, this was like the 16, just like now, and this was actually even in 2020, we went up quite nicely. So this looks promising, and today is the 24th of September, which means we're just a couple of days basically away from October, which can turn to October, as you usually see. Oh man, I messed this up here. Okay, anyway, and what I wanted to show you, and now let's go back to this chart. When we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, so Bitcoin dominance is in this rising wedge, and sooner or later it will top out. We're going up, since the end of 2022. And altcoins didn't get their chance, but now recently, look at this. Altcoins now breaking this trend line. I did talk about it yesterday, and they're starting to here go up. So sooner or later, altcoins will start to pump, and Bitcoin will, a bit go down by the dominance. So overall, Bitcoin goes up, altcoin goes up. Both are actually great for us. Okay, next topic now, what I would like to talk about is about FTX, because, the redistribution, it's happening actually in a couple of weeks' time. So, money can enter into the crypto market, and this is basically because of FTX. I mean, several different kind of sources can put money in crypto. But, we're talking about FTX redistribute $16 billion to the creditors in Q4. So again, weeks away, right? Actually, in a week, kind of. And what does it mean? This is money which was originally put in crypto, and what happened to FTX. So yes, some people probably are hurt and saying, oh, never ever crypto if I get this money back. On the other hand, a lot of people would say, okay, now actually I get the chance to, get the most out of my money, because it's likely that a bullish phase is coming. So let's put it back to crypto. And then we're talking about billions in dollars. And this could be, many cases going to altcoins, not necessarily to Bitcoin, like what the institutions are doing. So this can also further boost the market. Okay. Next one is, the one actually, sorry, I really messed up these slides, and now I realize that this belongs to the first news, which I wanted to show you that, 65.2, this is what really Bitcoin should break and close above it, because, here, as you can see, we have lower and lower highs, and this is a downtrend. So for this to be changed, break this very important level, which is a 200-day moving average, and then we should go above the previous high, and then we are back to the uptrend. Okay, and now let's move on to the next topic, which is all about that a new era comes to Telegram. And why I'm saying this, here it is. So basically, what Telegram's founder, CEO Pavel Durov, said on Monday, that Telegram will share users' data with authorities in crime crackdown after CEO arrest, so after he was arrested. And Durov said in a post on Telegram that the company had updated its terms and service, and that it is now actively blocking the ability to search for illicit goods and activities via search. Users will still try to share illegal content to be accessible via Telegram. Search could now have their IP address and phone numbers passed to authorities. So far, the authorities didn't get anything. But now they had to change this because, the founder was arrested. And for them to move on freely, the team knows they also, if they found the Powell guilty, then probably they're guilty as well. So they had to make some changes. And, what Telegram was all about so far, there are little changes are going on. But actually, if there is nothing about crime or something what you're connected with, then you shouldn't be worried. So actually it's totally okay. But this kind of decentralized thing with no control and all these kind of things, it's the past. Okay, and yeah, let's talk about small countries like Bhutan who are collecting, some Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin, and then, we find out sooner or later. Well, I have already talked about Bhutan, and when you're going to my X page, I also shared this video.
And now moving to Asia, Bhutan, the Himalayan kingdom known for prioritizing happiness over wealth, has quietly emerged as a major player in the cryptocurrency world. With $780 million worth of Bitcoin, which is nearly a third of its GDP, Bhutan has become the fourth largest government holder of Bitcoin.
It's crazy. So this what they're holding in Bitcoin is 1/3 of their GDP. And actually, they are the fourth largest government already with this. And, we talk about always El Salvador. El Salvador, which made, Bitcoin legal tender back in 2021. And look at this, crazy as it is, but Bhutan has 13,000 Bitcoin. Now the price actually is higher than 750 million. And when you're looking at El Salvador, they having 5,748 Bitcoin. They keep accumulating, buying every single day one Bitcoin. Bhutan, on the other hand, mining Bitcoin. And now the question is, because there could be several countries, worldwide, they secretly accumulating Bitcoin, mining, buying, whatever. And it will be a time when it turns out and we find out that, hey, these guys have a lot of Bitcoin as well. Hey, that guy as well. Country. So this could be the possibility for little countries. And now the big guys also jumping on Bitcoin, like Russia or the United States. But guess what? The little countries were the ones, they had nothing to lose. And if Bitcoin plays out in the way they actually hoping, just like El Salvador does, then they could be the big winners and they can grow a lot when it comes to economy. And this is what Bhutan is doing, fourth largest government holding Bitcoin in the world, and it's a tiny little country. You hardly see it on the map. So this could be another interesting things when we find out which other countries accumulating Bitcoin or what we do not know about so far. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.